everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from any image using Canva quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see different design options on the homepage. You can choose a format like YouTube thumbnail or type in your own custom size. To see more formats, just click the More button. For this tutorial, let's use the YouTube thumbnail format. Click on it, and it will open up a blank canvas where we can start editing. On the left side, click Uploads. Then click Upload Files and select the image you want to use from your computer. Once the image uploads, drag it onto the blank canvas. Move or resize the image on the canvas as needed. Then, in the top toolbar, click Background Remover. Wait a few seconds, and the background will be removed automatically. When you're happy with the result, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then select Download. Here, choose PNG format for the best quality. If you want to keep the background transparent, make sure to check Transparent Background. Finally, click Download to save your image. And that's it! You've now removed a background using Canva, quick and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.